What's up? It's your girl, Natural Diva. Hi, I am back with a new video. Today's video is going to be a nail tutorial. I'm going to do a polygel set, and I'm super excited. My first polygel set turned out really, really well. I'm going to be using and testing out another kit, but I am going to try a different method. I'm sorry, you hear my dogs. They decided they have to be right next to me today, so I apologize. But if you hear my dogs. But anyway, I'm going to be trying out a new technique. First, I want to show you what I'm going to be using, and I'll explain a little bit about the technique and what you're going to see in today's video. Before I get started, let me give a shout out to my friend Quan. Q Smith, I love you. Wanted to tell you thank you so much for your sweet comments in one of my previous videos, my makeup tutorial. Also, Sarah Bella, big shout out to you as well for your wonderful and sweet comments. Thank you guys for supporting me, and I am hoping that you enjoyed this video and not just the ones you've seen so far. So today we're going to be using the Beetles Gel Polish Kit, and I purchased this on Amazon. It's a nail extension gel kit, just like the McCart one that I reviewed before. This one, the difference between this one and the McCart one is this one comes with a UV lamp. So I was really excited to purchase this kit. It has a UV lamp. It has 3 bottles of polygel, one of which is clear. I will be using the clear today. And that is because I have some gel polish from Beetles as well. Some beautiful fall colors, and I am excited to just give those a try. So we'll be using the clear polygel. This kit also comes with your base coat and your slip solution, but of course it also comes with a matte top coat, and I love it. I snuck and used it on something else. So and it was just really great. So I'm going to be using this today. My tips came from the Dollar Tree. $1, folks. 80 pieces for $1. Doing things at home, doing them yourself, it does not cost much, okay? You can save so much money doing it at home as opposed to going to the salon. And then, of course, I am using my Kiss Super Bond nail glue. Pretty much anytime I do my nails, I'm using Kiss Super Bond nail glue. Sets in just a few seconds. And yeah, both of these came from the dollar store. So don't be afraid to check your Dollar Tree. Yay, you can save some money here if you do that. So anyway, we're going to get started. What I'm going to do is I will be actually putting the tips on. My nails are prepped. We'll have on my dehydrator and my Gelish pH bond. But what I will be doing is I'll actually be taking the polygel and spreading it out on my nails like acrylic. Now, I've seen several women do this. I've seen several videos on this, and using polygel in this manner is not the original intended manner of doing polygel. You're originally supposed to do them in the dual forms, the way that I did in my McCart video. But many women have had success with doing the polygel this way and smoothing it out like acrylic on top of nail tips. And so I want to give it a try, and I want to see how it turns out. And of course, there's some nail art stuff in this Beetles kit as well. So who knows what I'm going to create and what I'm going to come up with. But yeah, that's the technique I'm going to try. I'm going to try just putting it on the nail tips and smoothing it out, and just then curing it in a lamp and seeing how it comes out. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I hope you're as excited as I am to see the outcome. All right, so we're going to get started, and I'll see you in a little bit. So as you can see, I have finished the first nail and, you know, put the clear poly gel on there and cured it in the UV lamp. I cured it for 60 seconds. I may go in and cure it a little bit longer, but just wanted to show you what it looks like as I take off the dual form. It just looks just like a regular nail, regular poly gel nail, and it would be buffed and shaped. But this is the technique that is supposed to work a little bit better than actually using the dual forms, or the little nail pieces and you putting the poly gel in the nail piece. So this seems to be a little more successful. I like it. The nail feels secure. The nail strengthener and hardener on top of the base coat definitely added to it. And the Beetles gel polish, or poly gel rather, and their slip solution does very well. I'm really, really impressed. I like the McCart one, but this just smoothed out so fast, so easily. So I'm gonna finish the rest of this hand and I will show you what it looks like after that. Okay, here we go. Okay, dust is flying a little bit still, but the hand of clear poly gel has been put on, cured in the UV lamp, LED lamp, and shaped. So I did kind of a cough and style, if you will, there. So, you know, poly gel is very easy to shape. It does not take a lot. What I'm going to do is, you know, I pretty much have the poly gel placed where I want, but I'm just going to go in around my cuticles and just kind of shape it up really nicely, and then we will start to polish them and make them look really nice and pretty. All right, so here we go. Okay, so I got the nails all filed, shaped, and everything. My thoughts about this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the nails off so that I can kind of prepare to do the polish and designs. My initial thoughts of the Beetles set is that the slip solution and the poly gel, they are really good. They're very easy to work with, very easy. I actually found that this Beetles Poly Gel was a little easier to smooth out than the Macart. So I feel like their slip solution is better than the Macart slip solution, to be very honest. What I did notice, you know, like very low odor and all that kind of stuff, really no odor hardly. But what I did notice is that when it came time to file, there was powder flying everywhere. I mean, it just, I'm not sure if that is because I'm using clear or what that might be. I didn't notice quite as much powder with the Macart set when I would do filing. So I'm not sure how much of that has to do with the actual, you know, this actual brand, but I am very pleased with it. Again, very easy to file, very easy to shape to how I want the nails to look. Now, what I did earlier, I did purchase 2 Beetles nail polish sets, perfect 6 gel polish sets. One is the Beetles Red Brown Gel Polish for Winter Cool, and the other is, one is the Red and Brown set, and then the other is the Winter Cool. What I did, caught a sale on these on Amazon, and I did go ahead and kind of swatch them a little bit. So this shows you what the colors look like. This is the Red Brown set here. It's the red right there. And then there's a glitter that comes with it. And then the Winter Cool is the blue and green up here on the second row. I think what I've decided I want to do, I really think these are very pretty, but I think what I want to do is I want to use this mustard color, and I think I want to use the red as well, and maybe on the ring finger use that glitter just a little bit. So that's my plan, maybe put some rhinestones on there. So that's my plan for designing this, and I'll come back and I'll show you the finished product. So finally got the nails finished. Here is the finished product, and I love the way it turned out. I think that the Beetles Gel Extension Set with Poly Gel is a great product. The colors that I use, so I use the mustard color number 312. That is what I have on, and then I have the matte coat on top of it. Then I use the brown, reddish brown color gel, number 310 on the ring finger. And then at the tip of the ring finger, I have the glitter number 307, and it is I thought it was a gold glitter, but it's not. It's actually a brown glitter, so it looks gold, but it's really more of a brown glitter. And then, of course, I put a few rhinestones on there. That does come with the kit. If you decide to get the Beetles Gel Extension Kit, it comes with the rhinestones, the crystals. It comes with some of the, strip tape. And it actually comes with some flame decals, which I think are pretty cool. I'll probably use those at another time. But it comes with glitter and some tweezers and some butterflies in case you want to do like an encapsulated set, which I might try that another time. But yeah, I think the gel set, the Beetles set is excellent. Their UV lamp goes up to 120 seconds. And so when I would cure, I cured for 120 seconds. And yeah, that's the finished product. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And I'm going to finish my other hand, and I will catch you next time. I'll show you the finished product at the end of the video. Bye!